Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will share to you how to add music or audio to our TikTok videos. The first time, please you open the TikTok application and then you tap plus button bottom, and then please you upload the videos, or you can make audio by recording. I will give example by tap. After that, you choose your videos want to upload. Example, this this is maybe okay. We click next. After that, on sound, we tap the sound, and we can add the music, commercial song, TikTok viral, new release, and others. Example, we will tap in here milk tea sound audio. Okay, after that we tap uh, this and please you set the volume here. This is the original sound, and this is the add sound you add before. And the original sound we can make 0 or less than add sound. Okay, maybe we will make this 0%, and this 100%, and then we tap done, and we click next, and we can post the video by tap posting, and that the videos we add sound finish and finally success. That's all the tutorial for me. May it's useful for you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.